Hello everyone, it's me Louie Carpus. Today we're gonna walk Baguio City again. Thank you for watching, subscribing. My body bag, Ray-Ban, low pro backpack, XC9 Superstars hoodie. So let's go. We're going to City Hall. We're going to Ukay-Ukay also again. Thank you. Let's go. More blessings to all of us. This is like the old stairway in Camp Allen, Baguio. Let's go walk. This is one of those transient house here in Baguio. Also this. So if you're looking for accommodation. Okay, we are now here in Abanao. McDonald's. We are here in the overpass again. Sunshine Grocery. So I just withdraw a little money so that we will have a budget. Let's go walk. So we're just gonna go here, the Ukay-Ukay. Here in Abanao. So we are here again in Abanao, going to City Hall, but we will drop by the Ukay-Ukay first. There. I bought these sunglasses here in Abanao. Okay, so we're going to the City Hall with the sunglasses that I bought in the Ukay-Ukay. It's very cheap, 50 pesos only. So let's go. Okay, we are here now in City Hall. We're going to the office of Councilor Cayabas. This is Baguio Central School. That's McDonald's Insular. Okay. Hello everyone, it's me Louie Carpus. These are the things that we bought in the Ukay-Ukay. And from yesterday I saw a Muay Thai shorts. So I bought it. I'm gonna resell this. So here we are. Still looks new. Oops. Thank you for watching. We will still walk around Baguio City. We will do a lot. Okay, we're gonna go look for a photocopy machine. Let's go. We are here in front of Justice Hall. We are here in Aguilian Road, Shell. So that's going to Bukaucan, La Trinidad. This one is going to Aguilian Road. Okay, I didn't see any photocopy machine here. Let's go to the market. Okay, I got the documents photocopied here in Justice Hall. Let's go back to City Hall. Okay, we're going back to City Hall. It's near lunch now, but still go back. We're gonna eat at home later. Okay, we are leaving Baguio City Hall. We are going to Middle Quarry. So, let's go. We're just gonna walk. We are going there, going down to City Camp. We're going to Middle Quarry first. We're walking here, City Camp. Going to Quarry. This is the City Camp proper barangay hall. It's very big compared to other barangay hall. Okay, we are already home here in our house in Middle Quarry. Later again, we will be walking going back to the Central Business District.